Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your PIN on TREZOR Safe free. To do it, go to the settings, then go to device. Now you can scroll down until you find security. In change PIN, you'll have an option to click on change. Then follow the instructions on screen. Just click on change, then enter a PIN. And it doesn't prompt me whether it should be the old PIN or the new PIN. So I don't know that. I'll try entering the old one first, and we'll see what will be later. It is verifying, so yeah, now I can enter a new PIN, and I actually will set it to the same one, but because I just don't have any idea of a PIN right now. I confirm it, and I'll need to re-enter it to confirm. And now it's processing it. So yes, first enter the old one, then enter the new one twice. Now it's changed. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.